I am Dr. P.K. Shrivastava, Director Yashdeep Ultrasound Centers, Lucknow. I was Professor of Radiodiagnosis, King George's Medical University, Lucknow, and I was in teaching for more than 34 years. I know as a teacher what a student wants from a teacher. One Learning Platform is an excellent teaching platform which gives you ample opportunity to all of you to learn ultrasound imaging online. Due to this COVID pandemic, it has become very difficult for one-to-one teaching, but this online teaching platform gives you ample space to learn the basics of ultrasound imaging, and also in due course of the time gives you the tips how you can excel on ultrasound imaging. I am going to take the courses on musculoskeletal ultrasound and small part ultrasound in this One Learning teaching course. Musculoskeletal ultrasound is a new thing which has come in a big way after the innovation of excellent imaging machines and tissue characterization, which is better than MRI. I feel happy to tell you that I started musculoskeletal ultrasound in India way back, more than 20 years back, and I have also written a book of musculoskeletal ultrasound. That book is the first book written by any Indian author on MSK ultrasound. So I think if you keen to learn musculoskeletal ultrasound, this platform gives you very good opportunity to learn the technique, to excel the technique. The beauty of musculoskeletal ultrasound is that it is much informative than X-rays, and in comparison to MRI, highly cost effective. It can be performed in emergency rooms. The other things which I am going to take in this course is ultrasound imaging of small parts. Small parts like thyroid, eye, breast, scrotum, testes, prostate. All these are the excellent organs to be seen by ultrasound, and the spatial resolution of ultrasound is so good that at times it gives you much better information than highly costly other imaging modalities like CT scan or MRI. I invite you all to join One Learning platform to keep yourself upgraded in ultrasound techniques, newer applications, so that you can serve the society at your place, at your clinic. It can be done at small places at the cost of much less cost of the highly costly investigations. Wish you all the best for your participation, and I encourage you to enroll in maximum number for this One Learning course.